what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Holy. Anyways, welcome back to another video, boys. We're at almost 12K subs. Honestly, dude, it honestly blows my mind. I can't believe we're still growing so freaking fast. It's honestly so unreal, but dude, it's freaking bright dude, it's bright. So I don't know why, dude, like during fall time, like I don't know if it's just like the smog, but it's so bright here. My valve's open? It's kind of quiet, low-key. It's usually a lot louder. Yeah, I gotta open my windows up, dude. Check this out. I'm gonna open my windows all the way down. Oh my gosh. But for real, appreciate all the support, guys. Keep working hard, keep hustling, dude. Next 5 years, if I don't make it, like whether it's YouTube or whatever other businesses, bro, it is what it is. I'm a die trying, bro. I'm a die trying, because that. All I care about, bro, is I try. That's all that matters to me, bro. I rather fail, but at least I try. You know, there's chances. You know, that's why failing's so lit. It's like at least you take the chance. But this video is gonna be more like a chill driving. I'm just gonna be really gassing it, bro. Today, work's been kind of stressful recently, and I'm gonna just use this time to drive it off. Oh, great. Woohoo! Dude, this feels so good. I'm gonna take off the traction control for like a moment. But dude, when traction control is off in this car, it is actually insane. It's actually scary, bro. I'm gonna turn it off right now. The thing's that my tires still have grip, so it's not like as crazy as it usually is. But the one thing I did regret doing is one time I turned off traction control with like crappy tires, bro, and I literally spun out going like 60. But for real, man, thank you guys for all the support, for real, guys. Like, this is all just a journey, you know. I'm happy you guys are coming along. Dude, when traction control is off, it feels so different. Like the way it switches gears and the way, maybe not switching gears, but the way it accelerates is way different. Because I noticed with track and sport, it like controls your acceleration just a little bit. That guy ran a red. Literally ran a red. I don't want to have to blur this out. I'm gonna switch it. Going the speed limit. Okay, my freaking video just stopped recording, so alarm. You guys know this freaking spot. This is the. I'm rolling all my freaking windows down. Sheesh. I spun out so heavy right there. Wow, this thing feels freaking amazing, dude. Oh my. Holy. Oh my gosh, that feels so amazing. That's actually amazing, bro. I'm gonna try to go places where there's like close walls, because it just sounds so much better. Feels so good. Oh shit. Someone's honking. Someone's honking. That's funny. That's funny. They're honking at me, bro. Look, look. You do that? Yo, nice dog. I like your dog. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking goodness. That sounds crazy. Oh my gosh. These streets sound insane. this in a minute, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, those downshifts. Dude, when it's catless, it's so much better. When it's not catless, you can't hear it like that. Wow. That's amazing. Literally so beautiful, bro. Get out of this lane, bro. I love the streets so freaking much. Oh my goodness. Dude, I have to bring this intake and change to everything, bro. Oh my gosh. This neighborhood's crazy. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. My gosh. I want it to pop. Pops are so weak right now, man. I love when the neighborhoods are tight like this. Holy. See, like when you downshift in such low gears and you hear the exhaust, dude, before catless, you couldn't hear that. It sounds super freaking satisfying. Look, this guy's pissed. This guy, you will hate me here, bro. Sheesh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video, I try to keep it more chill. Me actually driving the car, a little bit talking, not as much. Today I just really wanted to just relax and just send it, you know, like just enjoy the ride. And the feeling is like, feels so good because it's nice to know that no car has this kind of horsepower, I'll tell you that. But at the end of the day, my goal is just to work harder, buy more cars. Honestly, dude, my motivation is cars. I don't know why, like cars motivate me so freaking much. Like, I literally want to buy real estate to, you know, I'm also looking into getting into real estate because I know even if you work like at a 9 to 5, you can still have rental properties, and with that there's benefits and stuff. I don't know all the benefits to 100%. You know, I've been talking to CPAs and stuff, but dude, there's so many freaking benefits if you want to do real estate. I'll tell you freaking that, bro. And I know there's a lot of people that watch my videos that have their own businesses. So I know some people that watch my videos that do Amazon and they're beasting on Amazon. I know that I try to get involved in Amazon, bro, and from what I know now, it's like really rough. They really lock into everyone that's doing it. Holy. I'm gonna send it down this hill one last time, but hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe right now. Make sure to like the videos well. You know, honestly, every single POV video I've been doing has been beasting, and it seems like to me you guys just like this car that much. And I mean, I feel the same way. Once you get it, you obviously don't care about watching videos as much because you already have it. But dude, before I got this car, bro, I remember I would watch Hellcat videos all day long. It was such a weird feeling. Now that I have it, I'm gonna be honest, like, it's definitely, like, obviously it's amazing, but at the same time, the feeling before was like way better. But being able to drive it, that's way better than obviously just the way you used to, the way you feel about watching it, you know. Wow. I'm freaking destroying this car right now. But honestly, a lot of people get worried about me beasting on it. Bro, I have warranty, factory warranty till 60K. I have more warranty until 177K. And these cars are made for this. Oh my gosh, there's literally a cop over there, bro. Oh shit, this neighborhood would be perfect right now. I close my valves. Well, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.